All right, the weekend is here. And despite any bad blood, I'll have none of it on my carpet. And if you lot do anything to start a fight, whether that's a little shoulder barge, a spilt drink, or even a cheeky comment, anything.
What if he looks at me funny?
Everybody looks at you funny.
There'll be no looks, no mugging people off, and no teaching them a lesson. The main thing is, despite the provocation of a fellow man, there is no fighting. Oi, no fighting. No fighting, no fucking fighting, no fighting. No fucking fighting. Saturday night is fight night. And let's just leave it till then. Catch Anthony Joshua versus Christian Prenga this Saturday only on DAZN. Saturday night is fight night.
Lucky I didn't knock him out.